wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. I'm Wanda. And today I just want to share some more styles for bedtime. Some more styles for bedtime. I hope you like these. So, you always start out with combing your hair. Comb it. And then just take your fingers and massage your scalp. It always feels so good to massage your scalp. And also, just don't forget about those edges because the edges are the things that we really do not take very good care of. We neglect our edges and they are so important. So make sure you take your fingers and massage the edges. You want to make sure that you massage your entire scalp. And if you have a male person, a male that can put their fingers through your hair, do that because ever since I was a little girl, I always heard from my grandparents and different people that having a man to put their fingers through your hair is a way for your hair to grow. So I don't know if it's true or not, but hey, it sounds good to me. So massage your scalp. If you're lucky enough to have somebody who can massage your scalp for you, then let them do it and make sure that they get those edges. The edges often get neglected, so you want to make sure that you take care of them. I mean, spend time with your hair. Just like you have a plant and different things, you want to just take care of your hair like that. So massage your scalp until you get tired or whenever. And then comb your hair. And so the first style that I want to show you is the Dipsy Do. The Dipsy Do is where you kind of remind yourself of when you were a young girl, or just think about, how you want your little girl, if you have girls, to do their hair. But part the hair down the middle. Part the hair down the middle. And then comb it out. This reminds me of when I was a little girl. So take the hair and then take the twist tie. And remember, the twist tie is a little bit better because they don't pull the hair and they don't cut the hair like rubber bands do. So a twist tie, and then take the hair and then just kind of tighten this up and then kind of dipsy do. You're going to dipsy do the ponytail according to the length of the hair. So you try to see if you can dipsy do it. If not, just let it go free. So this is the dipsy do. And then I'm going to do the other side the same way. Comb it. And then take another twist tie, of course. And then pull it tight. And then dipsy do. Dipsy do it. And then, oh, that's sticking up a long. Let me see. I'm going to pull it down a little bit. All right. But you're ready for bed. What do you think about this style? All right, the dipsy do. I kind of like it. I'm going to let you know how it works as far as sleeping on it because it feels flat. It feels very flat. And then, as I always told you, I always have one of these. This is just a silk bonnet, just a regular silk bonnet that you can get from Walmart. And then I can put that on here. This is to help keep the shine on my hair because I just recently got it colored. The gray was polka dot, so it was time for me to go and get my hair colored. And so here we go. So I'm ready for bed. And this is the Dipsy Do. Another style. Take this out And I'm going to take my earrings out because I do not sleep in my earrings. So I'm going to take the earrings out. As I was combing my hair, I thought about it. I was like, oh my goodness, I didn't take my earrings off. So, so here we go. So another style. Comb it all back. And then if you like parts, I always like a part, either down the middle or on the side. So this one I'm going to kind of part to the side. And then I'll take my twist tie again. And then if you like a lot of body to your hair, you're going to kind of want to go up with this because this will help your hair to have body after a night's rest. So I'm combing this part up, making sure I comb that kitchen out. And then I'm going to call this style the Beddie Boo. So I'm going to take my hair and then I'm going to twist tie it. And I'm making it tight. And then I'm just going to just let it go. So this one is the Beddie Boo. What do you think about that style? So the Dipsy Do and the Beddie Boo. And that was Beddie, like bed. Bed. Beddie Boo. And then last of all, and this is just my regular style, but I actually like the Dipsy Do now that I've been doing it. All right, but here, this is just regular. Just comb it back. Comb it back. Take the twist tie. Pull it up. And then twist tie it. And then just pull it through. Pull it through. And then that's it. That's it. This is just combing it back, pulling it up, and then you're done. And then you can put your bonnet on. Put your bonnet on, and then you are ready for bed. You are ready for bed. So, what do you think about those hairstyles? Which one did you like? Will you try one? Now, I also want to remind you, okay, after you go to bed, wake up after a night's rest, don't forget, in the morning, and even throughout the night, you can have your water. Put a bottle of water by your bed, cup of water, glass of water, however you want to do it. Put the water by your bed, and that way you can drink the water whenever you wake up, and it'll help you to stay hydrated. You'll stay hydrated. That's really, really good. And I think that helps with the hair follicles as well. Drinking lots of water. And then don't forget for tomorrow and every day, get your vitamin. Get your vitamin. Drink your water. I like an apple. Having an apple a day. I usually eat an apple in the morning. I usually eat all my apples before 12 because a lot of times at nighttime, I tend to feel like an apple makes me have bad dreams. So I always like to eat an apple early in the day. And this apple cider vinegar is good. It's also good to have. I like it better on a salad, but I have had it with, with just a spoonful, and just take a spoonful of it. It's a different experience, but you might really like it. But I like it on my salad. I do like the vinegar on salad. So those are things for you to get ready for the next day or tomorrow after a good night's rest. So tell me about the hairstyles. Let me know. I am going to go back to the Dipsy Do because I thought that was really cute. So, and it kind of reminds me of when I was a little girl. So for bedtime tonight, I'm gonna be wearing the Dipsy Do, and I'll let you know how it feels to sleep and then how my hair looks in the morning. I'll try to do a video where I show you when I wake up in the morning, get ready for work, and then see how it is then. So I'll do a video so you can see how my hair looks in the morning after a night's rest and getting ready for work. Getting ready to get out of here and go and have a day. Look, this is sticking up. This side is always so much thicker. All right, so I'm gonna try this style tonight, and this is my favorite one so far. But thank you for watching the video, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in the next video. Bye.